Hello Year 3, it's Mrs. Smale here. I hope you're all well. Welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Today we're starting our new chapter on volume. Do you know what volume means? And no, I don't mean how loud something is. Can you use the things on the table to give you a clue? That's right, volume means how much a container can hold, how much it's holding. So let's have a look at our in focus today. We are measuring volume in millilitres, and we'll nearly always see it written like this, ml for short. Here's our question. The volume of liquid in the jug is 1 litre. The remaining 3 containers hold less than 1 litre, less than 1 litre, less than 1 litre in these 3. How can we find out how much there is in these 3? Pause and have a think about how you could work that out. Okay, welcome back. So there's a couple of things we could do to solve that. We could use what we already know. If we know that this amount is 1 litre, we could roughly use that to work out the amounts in these 3. Of course, it wouldn't give us an exact amount, but it would tell us roughly. The other thing we could do if we wanted to know a precise measurement is we could use a measuring jug or a measuring beaker. So if we have a look at these, I've got 2 beakers here. One can hold 500 millilitres, one can hold 100 millilitres. You can see the ml is marked there to tell us what measure we're using, and the amount that each can hold is the volume. Right then, let's look at question 2 up here. How much is this beaker holding? Each mark gives us 10 millilitres more. So we could count up in tens, or we could look at the top and we could read this little line here, which tells us, that's right, 100 millilitres in this beaker. What about question 3? If we filled this one up, how much does the line come up to? Now this time we can use what we know to work this out. If we know the top is 100 millilitres, we've got to take 10 millilitres off. Here it is, if I put a little red marker so that you can see it. Here it is, 10 less than 100, of course it would be about 90 millilitres. Well done. Now we can work these ones out in the same way. We've got some different coloured water in our beakers now. Can you have a look and work out how much each beaker can hold? I'll use a different colour so that you can see it. Here's where our water comes up to. And now you clever clogs year 3s, I'm sure, can spot that this is halfway between 0 and 100 millilitres. So I might not even need to count this one. I might be able to know that the halfway point would be, that's right, it would be 50. Well done. Now then, here in my green liquid, I can see, here's my halfway point for 50. And I need another jump of 10 and another jump of 10. 20 more. 50 and 20 more. That's right. Of course, it would be 70 millilitres. And the last one, a smaller volume in this one. Can you see? We've got 1 line and 2 lines. It comes up to the first 2 lines, so it would be 10, 20, 20 millilitres. Well done. And here are the answers put in to show you the volume. Now your worksheet today is a nice and straightforward one. It looks like this, and you've got some measuring to do. I hope it's clear. I've tried to make it as clear as possible, but just do use what you know and do it as roughly as you can. Don't worry if it's not exact. So here we are. It's just one sheet today because we're on session 1. If you get through that quickly, you might want to go back to yesterday's work and do a little bit more of your mind workout or a little bit more of your chapter consolidation. For your extension, you could also have a go at writing out some word problems, but use volume this time. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon. Here are your answers. I'll put that off just before I stop my video. 40, 60 and 90. Bye for now.